Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Chatfuel connection errors in 2026. If your chatbot is not connecting to Facebook or Instagram, or you are seeing connection failures, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable before trying anything else. Next, refresh your browser or restart the Chatfuel dashboard to clear temporary loading issues. Now make sure you are logged into the correct Chatfuel account that is linked to your chatbot. Next, go to your connected platforms and verify that your Facebook page or Instagram account is still properly linked. Now re-authenticate your Facebook or Instagram connection if Chatfuel shows any warning or disconnected status. Next, check if you have given all required permissions for Chatfuel to access messaging and page management features. Now disable any VPN, proxy, or browser extensions that may block the connection process. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies to remove corrupted session data. Now try connecting Chatfuel again using a different browser or incognito mode if the issue continues. Finally, if nothing works, disconnect and reconnect your Facebook page or recreate the chatbot connection from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Chatfuel connection errors. Your chatbot should now connect properly and work without interruptions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.